$3,500. Gotcha. Jay, good luck. Nicholas, good luck. We'll be right back. Don't go away. I know where you are. Look.
She muted it so you can hear him.
Is there a Gilligan here?